Today we're going to install a tread with a riser. So in this case we would have our risers cut to fit. Make sure that we put enough adhesive on. In this case we're using a polyurethane. We would adhere this and then fasten it with nails. Sometimes we use micro pin nails. Once that's set, then we get our track cut to length, and you'll notice it's pre-drilled. Once it's where we want it, we can also put some adhesive on that in place, set it into place, drive it in straight. Once that's secure, there's two ways you can do it. You can either install the 5-in-1 first or the tread first. In this case, we're going to install the 5-in-1 first. A little bit of silicone, help to adhere our tread to the 5-in-1. Then some polyurethane to help adhere this to the track. Snaps in. Probably wouldn't hurt to use a rubber mallet on it. Once this is set up, because of the thickness of the track, we want to use shims that comes with the track to give us a flat plane. Little glue in there. Take your tread, set it into place. Make sure it's down onto the shims, and then pull it into the 5-in-1. Make sure that that's tight. That silicone will fill up the gap enough to protect it from dirt. Pull it tight, then let that set overnight. Now that's perfect.